Hey friends, Lori Robertson, independent Scentsy consultant, coming to you this afternoon. I just got a huge box of Scentsy in, and what's more fun than unboxing it together? So let's see what we got today. This is sure to have lots of amazing fall goodies in it, so I'm really excited. Something about September 1st made me ready for fall. I know it's still really hot. We've still been getting in our pool some, but I'm ready for fall and all cool things. So let's see what we got in this. Lots of paper, always. Alrighty. We got some car bar clips here. I believe these were for a customer. I got some maple apple bourbon car bar clips. That's a great scent. I'm anxious to see what he thinks about those. And then we got some weathered leather, which I basically refer to as new car smell. My husband likes that in his car. So we got some car bar clips. Kitty is trying to go out the door here. Let's see. We got some pods. I believe these are, ooh. This is snow-kissed cranberry, y'all, and I think these are for my friend Nikki. She's got a mini fan in here somewhere, so we're going to look for that too. All right, lots of cleaning stuff. We got some, hey Valerie, we got some bathroom cleaner here. Johnny Appleseed. I may or may not have swayed people to get Johnny Appleseed. It's my favorite. Some Johnny Appleseed counter cleaner. Y'all hang on to your sprayers. If you have counter clean, hang on to your sprayers, because you know, Scentsy hasn't been able to keep up with demand on our sprayers. So these are discounted to reflect that, but you can either go to the dollar store and buy a sprayer, or you can keep yours and reuse it because they last a really long time. Oh, yay. Cozy Cardigan body cream. Look how big this body cream is, y'all. It's 8 ounces. This is a huge body cream, and this is so, Valerie, you need to try Johnny Appleseed. It is my favorite. Just a really good, luxurious, thick body cream. Cozy Cardigan is a really classic, best-selling fall Scentsy fragrance, and this year for the first time we've got Cozy Cardigan in our body line, so I'm really excited to try these body products. Go-Go Mango hand soap, always good. Cozy Cardigan hand soap. Ooh, I got some Luna body wash. This is mine. Love me some Luna. Pineapple coconut vanilla hand soap. Got lots of hand soap this time. Here's the Cozy Cardigan body wash. Y'all, our body wash is great. It foams up so well. I use it in the shower. I have heard of people using it as bubble bath, and they say it works really well that way. All right, here's the mini fan that goes with my friend's pods over there. So she got this little mini fan to try. So the pods and the mini fan go together. I use mine in my vehicle all the time. I absolutely love it. But this is just such a great price. These are only $15. It comes with the USB cord, and that's how it gets its power, through USB. And then the pods are 10, and these last about 120 hours each, and you get 2. So it's a great value. Hey, Lucy. Just opening all my stuff, girl. All right. Got the hand cream. I got the whole Cozy Cardigan deal. Oh, Blue Grotto dish soap. Hey, Alicia. That's going to be great.
Hey, guys. While she's getting the rest of this stuff out, y'all should go check out me and my mom's 2 of our channels. Hers is...
Luke. Good Lord.
Yours is...
Here's some all-purpose cleaner. I'm not trying to promote my YouTube channel right now, but y'all should definitely check out Lucy's. It's called My Life as Lucy, and it's really great. Y'all should check it out. Oh, I have been wanting to see this in person. My friend Miss Joan got this, and I don't think she'll mind if I open it. This is the Bless This Home warmer. This was our warmer of the month for August, and I can't wait to see it. Okay, Lori, don't drop it. I really love these tin warmers that Scentsy has been coming out with lately. Oh, that's so cute. Tin. And here's the little roof. Look how precious. I guess the chimney could go on the side. Bless This Home. I love that. I think Miss Joan is going to really like this. I'll be getting that to her later this week. Now I've got it out. I probably can't get it back in. Do y'all have trouble getting things back in boxes? Valerie, if you're still on here, my Tupperware came in today. I was super excited. All right. Oh, we got some room sprays. What did we get? We got Breakfast in Bed, Autumn Hearth, and Saddle Up. Got some room sprays here. I do not remember ordering Saddle Up. That must be for a customer. That is not one I would have ordered for myself, but I must have ordered it for somebody. All right. More room sprays. Blue Grotto, Autumn Road Trip, Luna, and Pumpkin Cinnamon Swirl. Some of these are for my fall mystery bags. It's fall, y'all, and those are $20 mystery bags, and it will include at least $20 worth of Scentsy. So if anybody still wants to get one of those, y'all let me know. I might could still hook you up with that. All right. Oh, this is pretty. I bought this to have here. Alabaster warmer. This is a classic one. I just didn't have it, and I just thought it was really pretty. Pure white. Just a really nice one. And we have colored bulbs now, y'all, so you can completely change the look of these by putting in a colored bulb. You're not fixing to try to get up, are you?
I mean,
I need some food.
I would like to get up.
It's great, Luke. Go ahead.
I can't wipe my butt.
You know I'm doing a video, right?
Can you wipe my butt?
You're going to have to hold on just a minute.
You can wipe my butt.
Mom life, am I right?
You can wipe my butt.
Stop, Luke. That's gross. Moms of boys. I know y'all can relate to what I'm going through. All right. Oh, this is pretty. This Luke, that's enough talking like that. This is the Grateful Hearts warmer. This is a new one. This is also tin. And I'm really excited to see this. Hold that for me, JC. Y'all, I lied. This is not tin. This is ceramic. Oh, that is so pretty. Y'all, this is a really vintage looking ceramic, almost like a churn style. Look at the edges on that. But then it has the tin, hammered tin with the saying, and this says, "Gather here with grateful hearts." Isn't that pretty? I think this is really pretty. I have not seen this one in person until now. My friend Diana, who won my mystery host party, that was one of the things she got with her host rewards. So if I do another mystery host, y'all make sure... If I do another mystery host, y'all make sure and get in on that. All right, and then, oh, this one, y'all are gonna love this. This is our Twinkle warmer. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Look at that. JC, we need some light shine on this, don't we? Hold up your flashlight. Look how beautiful. Oh, look. We'll do it inside. There it is from the inside. Look how pretty, y'all. That is some bling, isn't it? I love this twinkle warmer. That's for a customer too. All right, let's see. Getting down about to the bottom of this box. Let's see what else is in here. I've got some order forms down in there. Y'all don't care about seeing those. My cat is currently tearing up all of my stuffing paper that was in here, so that's fun. Just a minute, Luke. All right. I got some oil here for my diffuser. I'm pretty sure I got this half off. Marshmallow buttercream. I cannot wait to try this. I really love the sweet oils for my diffuser. Got a whole slew of scent circles. Y'all, I love having scent circles on hand. I got a bunch of fall ones here. So, be watching for these. Hey, Rhonda. Hey, Stephanie. How are you, sweet girl? All right, so those are my scent circles, and I should have some wax in here, I think. Got a fragrance flower. Ooh, I smell that. Sea salt and avocado fragrance flower. Got some bulbs. Always gotta have bulbs. Y'all know you cannot put a Walmart bulb in your Scentsy warmer. I had a friend text me the other day and say, "What's wrong with my warmer? It's not melting the wax. It's just kind of half melting." And I said, "Well, did you move it? Is it under a draft? Is it a new plug-in?" No. Come to find out, she had put some different kind of bulbs in there, and I said, "I'm sorry, but that's it." With Scentsy, Scentsy warmers are snobby about our bulbs. You gotta have the right kind. Y'all, I know you don't want to know what all this wax is, but I got all the good stuff in. I'm telling you, I've got, oh, there's a Christmas one. I've got to smell this. Be merry. Oh, that smells so good. It smells like Christmas time. Christmas cottage. Oh my gosh. That makes me want Christmas right now. All right, y'all, that's it. I've got a mess to clean up now. It's all over my table, but I just wanted to share today's Scentsy haul with y'all. So have a wonderful afternoon. Let y'all hear me popping the bubble wrap. It's my guilty pleasure. All right, talk to y'all later. Bye.